Let's talk about it. Let's go deep. We all have something to share. No share with Dr. Dave.
How can one transition from this scarcity mindset to abundance?
Yeah, to me, the generative leader understands that all good opportunities are accessed through people. And the fuller your network, the greater your access to opportunities. And a abundant mindset knows this, connecting people to opportunities. But they never have a fear of losing out while serving others in this capacity.
Let's go deep. We all have something to share. No share with Dr. Dave.